Today we are diving into 5 key perspectives that will transform your English skills. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Indu and you are watching Learn English with Indu. So let's explore each one of that. What all are these? Okay, the very first one is listening, reading, watching, writing and speaking. So which one means so many people are wondering that how we have to structure all these things and how we will learn from where to start. So the very first thing is listening. Why I am putting emphasis on listening? Because listening is very essential for any different kind of language if you want to learn. So you have to listen more and more and more. Okay, while listening you get to know which kind of structure it is and how to learn. No matter whether you know the sentence structure, you know the basic, but while listening at the same time you can imitate. For example, when a small child started speaking, so that time child doesn't know any grammatical rule or any other rule. Okay, they are just listening their parents and imitating same thing which we have to do. The next part is reading. Why reading? Because reading help you in your thought process. If you will go for the reading habit, I'm not saying that you have to read books, big books. No, any kind of reading, whether it is short video, whether it is a short story, whether it is small, very small paragraph, try to pursue this habit because all these 5 perspective is interrelated. Okay, you have to put emphasis on each one of them. Later we will discuss how we can do. Okay, so the third is writing. Why I am putting emphasis on writing part? Because writing also plays essential role. While whatever you are listening, whatever you are reading, now you have to write also. When you write, it will help you to structure your thought in a one way. If you are writing, it means you are able to recall or you can articulate your thought in a good way. You are giving time to that thought process. Okay, so the next is watching. Watching, if you are at beginner level, you don't know what to watch, so you can go with the very basic, that is kids video. Nowadays on YouTube you will come across many video. Okay, whether is it kids short story, kids drama shows, it's up to you. Like you have to figure out your level where you are today. Okay, and which kind of things you want to watch. If you are at intermediate level, you can watch podcast, you can watch web series, you can watch Netflix, you can watch English movies. It's up to you which kind of content do you want to consume. And the first and foremost important is speaking, because speaking, we are focusing on the speaking part. So speaking will come by speaking only. Don't think like I don't know from where to start, how to start. Whatever you are today, any kind, whether you are learning any native language, any Hindi language or any kind of language do you have. Okay, so you have to blend your native language with English. At first you will go with the very small thing, that is means 90% your native language, pick up the 10% word of English, small words. Okay, if you are using one sentence, for example, if I am saying what is this, okay, this is book, so this is very easy. You can say yes, this is not book. So there is no rocket science, no hard and fast rule to learn this English. If you can pay attention all these perspective, okay, one by one, we will discuss in our later video, upcoming video. I will definitely give you tips and tricks that how we can go one by one. But this is for the in nutshell. I just want to let you know, like at first, if you are a beginner, if you are at intermediate level or any level you have to do just focus all these 5 perspective. So till that time, That's it for the today. Till the time, bye bye. See you soon. Thank you so much. Don't forget like, subscribe, and share my channel.